I and my fellow public service leaders in South West Wales are issuing a stark warning to the residents and communities in Pembrokeshire. As figures showed, coronavirus cases are growing in the county. The local authority, Hywel Health Board and Dyfed-Powys Police are working closely with Public Health Wales and Welsh Government officials to respond to growing concerns about increased community spread of the virus. And we are urging people and businesses to take action now to avoid local restrictions being brought in that could affect people living in the county. Numbers are now rising in Pembrokeshire, and people are being asked to take the risk seriously and consider how the actions may impact on more vulnerable members of our communities. I'm imploring the people of Pembrokeshire to follow the advice from our health experts and to halt the spread of the virus in our county. This advice is based on scientific evidence, and we must all play our part in reducing the spread of the virus. Make no mistake, failure to act now will impact on our daily lives and potential restrictions will be imposed upon us. This is a crunch time. If we don't follow the simple safety messages, we are increasing the risk of entering a lockdown. That's a situation again, and nobody wants that to happen. So please, follow the precautions, look after one another, and stay safe. Thank you.